Hi, it's Mark from Training Spark with another quick LearnDash tip. And this tip is mainly aimed at developers and admins. And what we want to do is show you how to monitor and debug scheduled tasks for your LearnDash platform. Now, scheduled tasks might be things like email notifications or blog posts that are scheduled for certain times. And you might have an instance where these don't go out for a particular reason. And what you want to do is just check out why that's happening. And what we're going to do is show you a tool that you can check your scheduled tasks and one of the options to see where you might be able to fix any issues that you might have. So the first issue is that LearnDash doesn't really show you what scheduled tasks are happening behind the scenes. And there are lots of them happening all the time for things like scheduling update checks or emails to be sent out and things like that. And what we're going to do first is install a plugin so that we can see what scheduled tasks we have. And we'll go to plugins and then head to add new and search for a plugin called WP-Crontrol. So that's like control, but Crontrol. And we can see the plugin here. And it's called WP-Crontrol. It's got 200,000 plus active installations and 5 stars, and it's been updated relatively recently. So let's get it installed. And we'll now activate that. And once that's activated, this is more of a tool that works behind the scenes. So if we head on the left-hand menu to Tools and then choose Cron Events, this is our new option that we'll see here. And what this does is it lists all of the scheduled events on your platform that are due to happen, and you can see what the name of it is, when it's next due to run, and a few other things that are more related to the plugins themselves, and how often they recur. So you'll find that some plugins, WooCommerce has quite a lot of them that happen, hourly or every minute, and the LearnDash WooCommerce has a check every minute as well. So that all of these things are happening behind the scenes on your WordPress platform. And if we wanted to check one of these, so say we had an item that was scheduled and wasn't actually working for some reason, we can manually force it to run now that we have this plugin installed by hovering over it and then choosing Run Now. And what that will do is it will force that action to run before its scheduled time. So you can just either force it to happen and make sure that it's not the function that's wrong, but it's more actually the scheduling, or just manually override these. So that gives you a good overview of what the scheduled tasks are on your system. Now you can see this full list of them. But if you still have problems, one of the first places we would look is WordPress's site health section here. And if you head over to that page and then refresh it, what this does is scans your site for potential issues that might prevent things from working. And it also looks for things like security issues and general site health. And what you tend to have is a list of critical items here above, and below it is some recommended improvements. And you get an overall score here of how healthy WordPress thinks your site is. And if you did have any issues with items that were preventing scheduled tasks from running, you might have them listed here. I don't have any on this site, but if there were any, it might say something that's preventing scheduled actions from running, or something to do with something called WP-Cron. And it would be an item here, and you'd be able to expand it, and it would give you potentially some recommended guidance on what you can do to resolve that action. So it's just a useful tool with anything really, any general plugin issues. Head over to this site health option, and if there's anything that's obviously causing that problem, you should hopefully be able to see it within this. So I hope you find that useful, and if you did like the video, please hit the like button, and if you'd like to subscribe to see more, please subscribe to the Training Spark YouTube channel.